Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have the Emperor, Mr. Hele, yes, and now he's speaking about, dating people and how you should first make sure that the person that you're dating is good so that you don't take on their demons. So he's saying that we should ensure that the person is clean and, other stuff so that they're free from demon and whatever it is so that you don't take on their demons. So just watch this video and please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I want to show much big companies. What is my company? Trillionaire can create them logo. None of you can live to see the emperor poor and pauperizing. No matter how you sabotage me, no matter how you lock down this business place, no matter how you try to sabotage and lock down the other business place on behalf of the Carcage and them. How they will see the emperor work up another business place, what sealer, I work up another business place. And this is another logo. See the people. This is one of the most powerfulest logo on the planet. And the emperor have it right over his side. We shall have V. So talking about logos now, people. So put up back the nanny face. And the flag of England again is another big logo. Nobody please don't call me upon the 7734594. That is a show phone. And our people are the dunces and the deafest people alone them can't read and write. Because they don't love to follow orders. So anyway, but now to logo.
Let's start things off with the logo we're all familiar with, the Nike swoosh. Now you may know that Nike is the Greek goddess of victory and the swoosh represents her wing. Now which
Greetings. Family, I'm not doing no read up right now. Call me after the show done. You know, for hearing a man, I'm not doing no read up right now. Because I can't read them and tell them so I read up my call for them have no money. I'm going to do 2 free read up on the thing. So after I'm done with my presentation, I'm going to call me about read up. That's why I'm not going to reach nowhere in life. I don't love pay money, I don't want everything free. So if somebody said I'm going to give 2 free read up because it drag the emperor energy. I don't believe read up or something normal, so you have to rub up with much oil and much because everyone now have on the demons and me have to take on the demons or anybody who are going to do spiritual thing after all this take on the demons. That's why you have to be careful which friend on your par with. Because the friend them on your par come with one bag of carelessness and one bag of worklessness. That's why woman be careful which man you go sleep with. That's why they become gruff over the ears. A man be careful which woman you go sleep with. Or you set them up or fix them up before you go lay down with them. Why you believe woman they say, boy the emperor, my heart forget him in a bed. You believe as just a bed come? What must it matter? Anyway, back to the thing. Because when you learn the man, see it, them are sitting in our advertisement for me now.
So for a lot of guys out there, they imagine a leather jacket.
So people, just look and learn. Nobody not call me.
Let's start things off with the logo we're all familiar with, the Nike swoosh. Now you may know that Nike is the Greek goddess of victory and the swoosh represents her wing. Now what you may not know is Nike founder Phil Knight did not design that logo. That was Carolyn Davidson. She was an art student who Phil Knight paid $35 in 1971 to design this logo. And if you know that, you may not know this. In 1983, Phil actually gifted Carolyn 500 shares of original Nike stock, now worth over $1 million. So it has a happy ending. In today's video, we're talking about the secrets behind some of the world's most famous fashion logos.
Greetings, Chief Evans. What time? All right. Give me 20 minutes. I'm going to wrap up that show here now and then I come deal with it. Yeah, me they tell Miss Regina for review it for me because she's on it now. So I'm going to call her back and she give me the pointers them. Yes. All right. So give me a minute, 20 minutes. All right. Just give me 20 minutes. I'm wrap up that show yeah, and then I get you back in time. I'm on live now. Yeah. See people, that's a business deal. All right. Greetings, caller. Yeah, let me call her back in 20 minutes time. I'm doing a presentation on my show right now. Yes. See people, so I don't have time for waste. Yeah, so I try to show that I mash up my own business. Anyway, I teach my teaching up. Because it's hard for learn.
Next up on our list, the Versace logo. So the Versace logo starts with the founder, Gianni Versace, and his fascination with Greek mythology. So Versace grew up in a historically significant city in Greece where he was surrounded by ruins. Apparently he's going through one of the ruins, and on the floor he sees this amazing mosaic of Medusa, and this inspires him. Now, if you know your Greek mythology, you know that Medusa was a very beautiful woman that apparently really upset a god, and she basically turned Medusa into this monster with the snake for hairs. Basically, upon Medusa gazing on you, and if you locked eyes, all of a sudden you were turned to stone. So why would Versace use a Greek monster in his logo? Because he wanted to create clothing that whenever you saw it, you would stop in your tracks. You would freeze because the clothing is so amazing. Not that it's going to turn you to stone, but you aren't going to be able to look away. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love this one. I love the history. I love the story behind it. And as we're making our way through all these logos, let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. Next up, we've got the Rolex crown. Now, most people recognize the Rolex crown, especially in the watch world, when they see it, but what you may not know is the slogan for Rolex. A crown for every achievement. This marks the occasion of giving watches as a gift whenever you reach a certain milestone. Now, the name Rolex, it wasn't named after the founders. No, the founders chose that name because it sounded and it worked in a number of languages. In addition, we look at the number, R-O-L-E-X, of letters in the name, and you look at the 5 points of the crown. Notice how it all works? And the colors are also symbolic. So Wilsdorf and Davis, they wanted gold to symbolize the excellence in watchmaking and the green to symbolize prosperity. And to this day, we see the logo, we see the colors, we see the symbolism in every product Rolex puts out. Next up, we've got the company Burberry, made famous by the trench coat. Now, they didn't invent the trench coat, but they definitely made it popular. They were the most prolific producers of the trench coat at the first part of the last century. And what we've seen is these guys have continued to expand over the last 170 years of the company's existence. So for 117 years, the logo of Burberry was the equestrian knight. Now the knight is carrying a banner with the Latin word prorsum, which means forward. Now the banner, along with the knight's armor, is a symbol of the company's pioneering strides in outerwear. Sadly, they got rid of this logo in 2018. Next up, we've got Adidas. Now, many people believe Adidas stands for All Day I Dream About Sports. As nice as that